Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a feedback form using Saber Feedback, and I'm going to show you how you can put that feedback form onto your own website as a feedback button. So I'm starting here in a brand new Saber Feedback trial account. I've signed in and I'm ready to go. So let's get started. The first step is quite obvious, the big button that says create your first feedback form. We'll give our form a name. It can be anything. That's just for your reference. And that's it. We actually now have a form we can embed on our website. Before we do, I want to show you a couple of other things. I want to modify the form a little bit. To do so, we go to the Form Fields tab. Here we have a demo of our form as it's going to appear on our website. Now this is the default form we create for you. There's a feedback category drop down, there's an email address field that's required and a message field that's required. For our purposes, we want to make our form really simple. So let's get rid of some things. Let's start off by getting rid of the feedback category. And you see in the preview it's gone already. Now let's make email an optional field. Okay, now it no longer has the asterisk next to it and it's not required for the form to be submitted. Finally, let's add some explanatory text. So we go to the Add New Field drop-down. Right at the bottom here, this paragraph. Let's add the text we want to show on the screen. And it's appeared, but it's in a strange location, so let's move that up. And there's our form. We have our explanatory text, our optional email address, and our message box and our buttons. So we can save that. The next step is to get this onto your website. Now I'm going to show you the website I'm using for the purposes of this video. It's a very simple website, as you can see, or web page. It's just what you see here. And what we want to do is add a feedback button that will be floating on this page. So the way we do that is we go to the Installation tab. And here we have the JavaScript snippet that we need to add to our website. So I'm going to copy that. And now here I am in my text editor with the source of my HTML page. Now, clearly, if you're not a developer, you're probably going to need to ask somebody to help you with this. But if you are a developer, it's as easy as adding, for example, the Google Analytics snippet. So the snippet has to go in this head section. In fact, just before the close head section. Paste the JavaScript snippet and save. And now if we go back to our web page, we've got this floating feedback button. Let's click on it. And there's our form we created with our custom text, the optional email address, and so on. That's it. That's all it takes to start getting feedback from your customers with a Saber feedback button.